Ever look up at the clouds and see a dragon, a ship, or maybe a friendly face? What if I told you there's a little secret behind those magical shapes? High above the rolling green fields lived a tiny bird with a very special talent. She wasn't just any bird, she was a cloud artist. With every flap of her wings, she'd sculpt the puffy white clouds into wonderful creations for everyone below to enjoy. But one stormy afternoon, a fierce wind gusted through the sky, catching her off guard. The little bird tumbled from the heavens, her wing to soar, to fly. As she rested on a leaf, feeling her spirit droop, a gentle butterfly fluttered near. "Don't be sad," whispered the butterfly. "Your beautiful clouds made us all dream. Now it's our turn to help you." So the butterfly gathered all its friends. Together, they painted the sky with their colorful wings, creating a living masterpiece. The little bird watched, her heart filled with joy, realizing that the most beautiful art is the kind we create together. If this story brightened your day, imagine what else we can discover together. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join our community. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.